Hello, my lovely learners. Welcome back to the place where learning English is fun and easy. Many students tell me, "Teacher, learning English at home feels difficult. Studying is difficult. Speaking is difficult. How can I use English at home?" But let me tell you, it's easier than you think. Daily life gives us the best chance to practice. Every small action at home can be described in English. Today, I'll share 10 useful phrases you can use every day. I'll explain their meaning, when to use them, how to say them politely, and give real examples. With these phrases, you'll feel confident speaking English at home. Phrase 1. Please close the door when you come inside. This phrase is polite and simple. The meaning is to shut the door after entering. You use it when you want the room to stay quiet, cool, or safe. Learners often make mistakes by saying only close door or shut door. This sounds rude. Adding please makes it polite. For example, you can say, "Please close the door when you come inside. The baby is sleeping." Or, "Please close the door when you come inside. The fan is on." My student Asha used to say, "Shut door." Her brother got angry. After learning this phrase, she said it politely, and now her family smiles. Phrase 2. Don't forget to switch off the lights before sleeping. This phrase reminds someone about an action. The meaning is clear. Turn off the lights before going to bed. Learners often say, "off the light," which is wrong. The correct way is switch off or turn off. You can use it every night. For example, don't forget to switch off the lights before sleeping. Electricity is expensive. Or, don't forget to switch off the lights before sleeping. I like a dark room. My student Musa always left the lights on. His father got upset. Now he uses this phrase every night to remind himself politely. Phrase 3. Can you help me set the dining table tonight? This phrase asks for help politely. The meaning is to prepare the table for dinner. Learners often say, "Help me table," which sounds wrong. The correct phrase is simple and soft. You use it before meals, especially when guests are coming. For example, "Can you help me set the dining table tonight? We have guests." Or, "Can you help me set the dining table tonight? I'm busy cooking." My learner Hina used to ask rudely, "Do table?" After learning this phrase, she became polite, and her family felt respected. Phrase 4. Please open the windows. The room feels very hot. This phrase is about comfort. The meaning is to let fresh air in. Learners often say, "Open window now," which is too direct. You use this phrase during warm weather or when the room feels stuffy. For example, "Please open the windows. The room feels very hot after cooking." Or, "Please open the windows. The room feels very hot in the afternoon." My learner Omar once said, "Open window." His mother thought he was ordering her. Now he says, "Please open the windows. The room feels very hot." and his tone is kind. Phrase 5. Turn down the TV volume, it's too loud now. This phrase asks someone to lower the sound. The meaning is to reduce noise. Learners often say, "Low the TV," which is incorrect. The right way is, turn down the volume. You use it when the TV disturbs study, sleep, or conversation. For example, turn down the TV volume. It's too loud now. I'm studying. Or, turn down the TV volume. It's too loud now. The baby is resting. My student Sarah made this mistake. She said, "Close the TV sound." Her brother laughed. Now she says it correctly, and people respect her English. Phrase 6. I'll do the laundry after we finish lunch today. This phrase talks about chores. The meaning is to wash clothes. Learners often say, "I wash clothes later," which sounds unnatural. The natural way is, do the laundry. You use this phrase when planning housework. For example, I'll do the laundry after we finish lunch today. The basket is full. Or, I'll do the laundry after we finish lunch today. I need clean shirts. My learner Musa used to say, I clean clothes. After learning the correct phrase, his English sounded natural. Phrase 7. Let's clean the living room before our guests arrive. This phrase is about teamwork at home. The meaning is to tidy the space before visitors come. Learners often say, "We clean room now," which sounds broken. You use this phrase politely to invite help. For example, let's clean the living room before our guests arrive. They will come soon. Or, let's clean the living room before our guests arrive. I want it to look nice. My learner Asha once said, "You clean living room." Her sister got angry. Then she learned to say, "Let's clean the living room," and everyone worked happily together. Phrase 8. Can you fold the clothes and put them away? This phrase is polite and specific. The meaning is to fold clean clothes and keep them in place. Learners often say, keep clothes, which is too short and unclear. You use this phrase after laundry is done. For example, can you fold the clothes and put them away? The table is full. Or, can you fold the clothes and put them away? I need space for dinner. My learner Ravi said, put clothes. His mother corrected him. Now he uses the full phrase, and his English sounds polite. Phrase 9. Please water the plants. They need some care today. This phrase is about daily care at home. The meaning is to give water to plants. Learners often say, give water plants, which is wrong. You use this phrase when reminding family or children. For example, please water the plants, they need some care today. The sun is strong, or please water the plants, they need some care today. The leaves are dry. My learner Sarah used to forget. Now she says it politely, and her garden is healthy. Phrase 10. Don't stay up late. Tomorrow is going to be busy. This phrase is about rest and health. The meaning is not to sleep late. Learners often say, don't late sleep, which is wrong. You use this phrase when reminding family or children about an early morning. For example, don't stay up late. Tomorrow is going to be busy. We have school. Or, don't stay up late. Tomorrow is going to be busy. We have guests. My learner Heine once said, "Don't late night." Her brother laughed. After learning the correct phrase, she speaks naturally and kindly. So, my dear friends, these 10 home phrases are powerful tools. They help you speak politely with your family. They help you sound natural in daily life. They stop mistakes that learners often make. Practice them every day. Use them with your parents, siblings, or children. Change the time, place, or action to fit your life. Soon, you will speak English at home with confidence, respect, and joy.